let's solve this NECO past question. The question says, the vertices of a triangle PQR are P has the coordinate -3, 8, Q has the coordinate 4, 3, and R has the coordinate 1, 2. Now we have to find the equation of the lines I, P, Q, I, Q, R. So this is a NECO past question 2024 and number 3A. You see, so this is a theory question, it's not objective, right? Now, let's get this done. First of all, let's make a sketch of diagram of this particular triangle. Now, solution. If this is a triangle, right, and this is a point P, first of all, you have to know that these are the vertices of the triangle, right? Alright, P has the coordinate -3, 8, and this is Q, coordinate is 4, 3, and this is R, coordinate is 1, 2, right? Now we are asked to find the equation of PQ and QR. One of my videos I gave a few teaching on this topic, coordinate geometry 1. So you have to go and watch that particular video, right? Now let's solve this one. In that video, I told you for you to get the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. I gave you the formula for that particular video. We are going to apply the same formula in that video to this one, right? So to get line, equation of line PQ, so which is I, right? I, P, Q. Now, you have to know that for PQ, the coordinates are this and this, and P comes first before Q, right? But the formula for that, because we have 2 points, are given below. Y minus y1 all over x minus x1 must be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula I'm going to use. Now, let's continue. From PQ, right, our x1 is -3, right? So you can say where x1 is -3, x2 is 4, then y1 is the last number in the first bracket, which is what? 8, y2 is 3, right? Now, y and x are variable. You get that? Alright, now let's substitute now. So that y minus our y1 is what here? Is 8, right? All over. Then x minus x1 is what? Is -3, right? -3. Understood now? And the minus times minus is what? Is plus. So let me just write plus, right? And now be equal to y2 is what? Is 3 minus y1 is what? 8. Then x2 is what? Our x2 is 4, right? Minus x1 is 3. It's -3, right? So minus times minus is plus. Let me just write plus what? 3. Are you following now? Alright, now we have this. Let's write down. We have y minus 8 over x plus 3 must be equal to 3 minus 8 is what? Is -5, right? All over 4 plus 3 is what? Is 7. At this point, I'm going to cross and multiply. 7 will times everything here. 7 into y minus 8 equal to -5 into x plus 3, right? Now expand the bracket. 7 times y is 7y, right? Minus 7 times 8 is 56. 56 equal to minus 5 times 3. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus times plus is minus, right? 5 times 3 is what? Is 15. Is what? 15. Now, let's collect like them here. We have the 7y, right? Equal to minus 5x, right? Minus 15 plus 56, right? And that will be 7y equal to minus 5x minus 15 plus 56. That is to say 56 minus 15, right? So 6 minus 5 is what? Is 1. Are you following me now? 5 minus 1 is 4. And I have to put what? Your plus. Right? Okay. This is the question we are looking for. If you don't want it to be like this, right, you can still make this question to be like this form. 7y. This is coming becomes what? Plus what? 5x. This is coming becomes what now? Minus 41 equal to 0. Any of these can serve since it is not objective where you see another format. So you can put it either this or this. You are still correct, right? Now let's solve I is what? Is QR. For QR, we are solving what? QR. So Q comes first, right? You have to take note of this because when I'm saying Q comes first, so that you know that the coordinate of Q is what? X1, Y1. Alright, and that will be formula remains Y minus Y1 upon X minus X1 equal to Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Right? Now in this case, where my X1 becomes what? Look up. X1 becomes 4, right? X1 becomes 4, right? X2 becomes what? X2 becomes 1, right? X2 becomes 1, comma. Then Y1 becomes what? 3, of course. And Y2 becomes what? 2, right? At this point, we're going to substitute. Alright, so we're having Y minus Y1 is what? 3. So I have to write 3 all over x is a variable. Alright, x minus x1 is what? X1 is 4. So let me write 4 equal to y2 is what here? Is 2. I'll write in 2 minus y1 is what? Is 3. I'll write my 3 upon x2 is 1 minus x1 is 4. Now let's keep solving. We have y minus 3 all over x minus 4 equal to 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1, right? Minus 1 all over 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3. Are you following me now? Now this can cancel out, right? Yes, it's done that way. Now use 3 to multiply this and 1 to multiply. We call it crossing and then multiplying. So 3 is going to multiply y minus 3 equal to 1. We multiply x minus 4. Very easy. Now 3 times y is what? Is 3y minus 3 times 3 is what? 9. Right? Equal to 1 times s remain x. 1 times minus 4 means what? Minus 4. Right? Now let us collect like them as well. We're having 3 what? 3y. S is coming because what? Minus x. Right? Equal to minus 4 is here already. Minus 9 is going to cross because what? Plus 9. Are you following me now? Alright. Now we what? 3y minus x equal to minus 4 plus 9 is 5. So I write my 5. Now, this equation can be written as 3y minus x. Take this one, this side, minus what? 5 equal to 0. right? Or if you want it, you can take it back to this, right? Any of this can become your answer. So this is the answer to this particular equation. So the equation is equals what? PQ is this one, right? And this end the question, the solution to this particular problem. All right.